Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to cancel a scheduled shutdown in Windows 10. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you've scheduled a shutdown on your computer and you got this notification saying that you're going to be signed out at a certain time and you want to cancel that, here in your search bar, you can just type shutdown space -A and then press enter. And then you'll see that the log-off is cancelled and the scheduled shutdown has been cancelled. If you don't have access to the search bar, you can just right-click on your Start button and then either open Windows PowerShell, Terminal or Command Prompt as admin. And once you have any of those open, you can just type the same command, which is shutdown space -A, and then press enter, and then the shutdown will also be aborted. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.